Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be showing you guys my fire alarm collection. Just a full out one with all the post stations, all the fire alarm, not fire alarm, but all the notifications, appliances, and I have 2 waterproof strobes, and 5 horn strobes, and a switch right there that says abort. And we're also going to be pulling some of the pull stations, which I have to use 2 keys. My B key and my notify key with the polished notifier logo. You can probably see it. So alright, so I'm going to get down so I can show you guys my devices. Ugh. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to kick you. Alright, here we go. Gotta get down. So my first pulse station, my first fire alarm device, I'm going to show you is my BG12. This is my first ever pulse station. If you guys are new to the channel, I've probably said this like 1,000 times. This is the BG12. So this is the BG12. It is not dual. It is dual action, and it runs on. And you have to reset it by using a hex terminal. So how you do it? You push in, pull down, grab a hex. Like this, and open it. Oh, not meant to do that. But yeah, you can take this, but you can't take the cover off of the back part. I'm gonna put it back on now. And what you can do, you can either like do this, or just leave it down, and once you close it, it resets, and once you open it, it switches back up. So, or if you want to do it differently, like switch activate, open up the pull station, and flip the switch and flip it back up. Yeah, very cool. Very cool, right? The next device, let me get these wires out of the way, is my Wheelock RSS W2475WP, or RSS WP 2475. This is a waterproof remote strobe, and it runs on 75 candela, fixed 75 candela strobe, 2 wired. I love 2 wired devices. And here is the model, if you can see it. RSS WP 2475 75 candela. Really cool, huh? My next device is my Wheelock NS24 MCW. MCW means multi-candela. It runs on 4 types of candela. 75 is one of them. So you have 50, so you have 75, 30, 15, 110, and I'm trying to find the switch. So you have 15, 75, 30, and 110. 110 is my favorite, so. The next device is my EST Genesis G1R/HT VM. It is a multi-candela horn strobe. This is another multi-candela horn strobe. This is my second one. And, oh, if you guys want to see the cover inside the NS, I'll do that right now. Get that over with. It's pretty simple. You don't have to use anything. You just move it. It's really not that hard. Yep. It's the inside behind the plate. This is a front and a back thing. You guys can see that. I really got that thing polished real good. Yep. Wheelock from Long Branch, New Jersey. And snaps back on. Not really snap, but snap. Yep. This is also a 2-piece alarm. I'm gonna use a key to open it up since one of the things on the other side broke. So yeah, here we go. Voila. Here's the inside. It says wall mount only. That means you only need. That means you have to have this on the wall. You cannot have it like a ceiling facing down because it's not going to give you the right candela. Oh crap, almost dropped it. And like I said, this is multi-candela. There's a little arrow right here. So right now it's at 110. Or you got 75, 30, and 15. It's in the right number order. Here is the cover plate for it. This is actually the, I think it's the second generation of EST Genesis. Because if this was the first generation, it had EST on the bottom, it'll have no fire learning. It'll be a 30 candela strobe. It'll be fixed candela strobe. It'll be like right here on the right. Cool? Alright, next device, or next thing, is my Notifier BNG1. This is actually my first ever, this was my first ever Notifier pole station. This Notifier, and I actually ended up buying the key, so there we go. Oh, it's upside down. Notifier model BNG1. BNG1, 6 to 125 volts. I'm not going to pull it because it's hard to pull and I don't want to waste your guys' time. Next off we have is my Federal Signal. This is the 4050D/APMS vibrational horn and a V1971 15 candela strobe. Really cool. They only have one fire lighting on the side. Next off is my Wheelock MT4 24IS. This is a fixed 75 candela strobe like the RSS. Really cool. 75 candela. Next off, we have my Wheelock WM3T24IA W1 VDC. This is running on 117 candela. Really nice, 2-wire. Next off is my first ever Simplex pole station. This is the Simplex 299757. A little demonstration. And I only need my B key. Yes, if you have a B key, I highly advise you to get one. And show you guys if it's a actual. It is $29.97.57. Next off is my first ever Simple extruder. This is the 2091 the 4907 4906 9127 multi candela horn stroke in the back. Oh, there's an ant that crawled in there. Let's darn it. Come on up. Ah. Yep. So it's another one of those devices that are front and a back. Yep, that's really cool. Next up is my notifier agent release NAR10. I still have not yet find the thing to reset this, but it will soon. Next off is a Huntington Signal RPS1. It's a lift and a pull. Yep. RMS1P is what I meant to say. RBMS1P. It's it. Now, the difference between these and the Kiak, see, this one has to take the small hex wrench, and the ones are like, the other ones are like key activate, so you can't actually like use a hex. Last but not least is my abort switch. Just a switch, nothing really exciting. This is from Chemitronics. It runs on 27 VDC. Don't know what that is. But yeah, that was my fire alarm collection update of July of 2018. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!